Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I thought where to start because my dreams are very old, and I found that my dreams actually with regards to education and health, these dreams coincided with the dreams that I have actually seen with the leadership of Capital Smart City and Smart City itself, Lahore and Royal Orchards, Multan, Sahiwal and Sargodha. I'll take you a little back because there's a famous saying that when you rise in life, your head may be in the clouds, but your feet must stay on ground. So that is the essential essence. So when I look back, I know after a very long presentation on IT and IoT, so I'll take you a little away from that and narrate you, mix of it, some kind of my experience and my thinking about the education and health for which I am responsible to look after in these Capital Smart City, Lahore Smart City, Royal Orchard, Multan, and Sahiwal and Sargodha, and so on, inshallah. Be assured that here in Smart City, we are looking for the best of the best institutions from the world. We will bring here, the best of the best practices will be here. In true sense, we are going to integrate the education with technology, and that is the future, and that is what we are going to do. I told you if in the world in 6th and 7th grade, they are teaching artificial intelligence, here in Smart City, Capital Smart City and Smart Cities, you will see this being taught here. स्पोर्ट्स जो हैं, स्पोर्ट्स साथ स्किल्स, कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लैरिटी वो नहीं है। तो हमारी जो एजुकेशन सिस्टम को अगर मैं 3 पॉइंट्स पे सिर्फ होम करूं कि हमारे एजुकेशन के अंदर स्ट्रॉन्ग मॉन्टेसरी ट्रेनिंग, देन स्टेम एजुकेशन, साइंस टेक्नोलॉजी इंजीनियरिंग एंड मैथ्स विल बी आवर फोकस, एंड देन वी आर गोइंग टू एक्चुअली पर्सनैलिटी डेवलपमेंट पे, स्पोर्ट्स, कॉम्पिटिशन्स, स्काउटिंग, जो हमारा दिस मेक्स पीपल, हमारे बच्चों को काउच पोटैटोज़ नहीं बल्कि हमें जो है वो स्ट्रॉन्ग फिजिकली वी शुड बी एक्चुअली ग्रोइंग। तो हम इन तीनों एस्पेक्ट्स को, पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट, स्टेम एजुकेशन फोकस्ड एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग कॉन्सेप्ट्स थ्रू मॉन्टेसरी ट्रेनिंग, सो दिस इज़ आवर फोकस एंड दैट इज़ हाउ वील ब्रिंग। लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट इज़ विद रेफरेंस टू एजुकेशन, बी assured when Capital Smart City is coming up, there are people from the world over, they are approaching us. I assure you that from Canada, for example, for health, somebody is in communication with me for, we are bringing the best university. Brigade Abid Kabir Chima has mentioned you the best of the best universities, they are coming here. Education institutions, we will have the education system of our own. We will not go for, we will develop our dreams into our education system, and that education will be available to the residents जो 2.5 मरले के मकान में रहेंगे, उनको भी वही education हम देंगे in a subsidized cost, और जो 8 कनाल के फार्म हाउस पे रहेगा उनके बच्चों को भी एजुकेशन यही इसी के अंदर हम देंगे, और ये एजुकेशन के फीचर्स IT ड्रिवन होंगे। So our first school is almost, we in next about 3 months we are going to actually December, January में we are actually going to inaugurate our first smart school. Inshallah by Jan Feb we are going to actually have this school, the picture जो आपने देखी है, and then we are already started with the college buildings inside. We are going to have separate college from grade 6 through BS. We are going to have our own smart colleges for girls separately, boys separately, and that is how lot of emphasis we will lay on the girls' education also here. That is the dream. They are the important force that has to actually stand shoulder by shoulder with their with the boys' education, and be assured that inshallah from the education point of view, and we will keep increasing. These institutions are going to be available to you in the cluster of these sectors, close by, not very far off, and inshallah you will find the best education after some time. Now with health, I'll just touch upon, they have already mentioned health के अंदर बाकी चीज़ें इन्होंने बीच में बताई. 2 of the top colleges, 2 of the top hospitals, one from abroad, USA, and other from one of the best college hospitals, that is Aga Khan. Also they are actually in communication, and that is how we are looking at it. And the hospitals coming here, then the secondary health facilities like 50-bedded hospitals in the clusters of sectors that we are developing. Our 50-bedded hospital is already, the work is on, and we are looking at end next year that we should actually be commissioning our 50-bedded hospital. The other medical facility, 20-bedded hospital, is already, we are working on that. In next about 4 months, our 20-bedded hospital has to be on ground. So before the residents actually move in other societies, after residents move in, the facilities start following them. But here, inshallah, all such facilities will be placed before the residents come in. So there will be no place that there is a starvation felt. There will be in abundance, inshallah, these facilities, health and education. And in health, last point, and I end it here, I have taken you a lot of time. In health, we are also introducing, other than what is mentioned, smart health cards also. When you put that card, your entire medical history will be coming up, and that is how all the residents will be given smart health cards, so that in emergency, anybody coming, we don't have to. The treatment should start from there onwards, and instead asking questions, the IT-based, every data bank is there. So with all this, thank you so much. Thank you.